Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing recipe to whiten yellow teeth in just 2 minutes. Turn yellow dirty teeth to pearl white and shiny naturally. With very simple ingredients at home, we can prepare super effective method to whiten yellow teeth and turn it to pearl white. The first ingredient we will need is 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and if you don't have ginger powder you can use fresh ginger and add 1 teaspoon of ginger juice and it's going to work for you the same. And here I have ginger extract powder. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of salt, just regular table salt. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda or baking powder. You can use baking powder in this, it's going to work the same for you. Add 1 teaspoon of it and mix well the dry ingredients. Then we will need 1 lemon and cut the lemon in half. And squeeze the lemon to get the fresh lemon juice. Now mix the ingredients very well together like so. It's going to double in size and foam like that. Now with an aid of your toothbrush, dip in your toothbrush in the recipe and brush your teeth with this. It's going to get you pearl white teeth naturally at home. It's super effective guys and super helpful. Use it every day to get the best results. It's not going to harm your teeth or anything. This is super natural and super effective. Whiten teeth at home and it's going to whiten your teeth naturally. I hope that video will help you too my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.